All right, something happened earlier, and you guys didn't have a chance to hear it because of some technical problems. And it's not often that Todd is funny.
I'm rarely funny.
And I just wanted to make sure that people didn't miss that.
I don't even know that I could recreate it, Lee.
No, but I cried.
That's the hard part.
I was so proud of you. I was like, I had a moment, and I was like, nobody got to hear that.
I know.
So, please tell the class.
I don't know that I can do it again. I will try. Look. I showed a graphic of the next 7 days' temperatures, and today is the only one that's in the 40s. The rest of them are 50s plus. And I said, today is the last day that we will spend in the 40s until my next life.
Because tomorrow...
tomorrow I turn 50. So...
That was funny.
It was, but you know.
Clever.
That version wasn't as
that version, no, right.
By the way, the ear thing is fixed. You can
is it? Oh, good.
Now, yeah.
That's great to hear. Thank you, Sharon. Until it isn't again.
I know. Give us 3 seconds.
Yeah. So first of all, we're about to turn a little corner here. And, you know, Maine spring looks like it's going to end, at least for the next week. And real spring will start to kick in. And that means your sniffling and sneezing might not actually be like a cold or a sickness. It might be pollen. It might be allergies because trees are starting to wake up and there's a lot of tree pollen entering our air. This is also the beginning of our brush fire season. There's not much snow left on the ground. We've got a lot of dry grass that hasn't greened up, leaves from last fall. On dry days and especially breezy ones, you can get a brush fire to spark and it would spread easily. So we have to be concerned about that. And also, you know, if you're outside working in the gardens, as spring starts to kick in here, it might be a good idea for some sunblock because that sun angle is getting higher and the sun is getting stronger and you'll start to get some color out there. Temperatures this morning don't feel like real spring. They're pretty cold. Lewiston's 21, Portland's 30, and Bangor's 28. We do have a high that's now off the coast, so we're on the back side of it. And once this wind starts to pick up a little bit this afternoon, our temperatures will be rising quite a bit over the coming days. Triple C's this morning, clear, calm, and cold. Windshields may actually have some frost on them, and you may have to scrape. Statewide sun for the middle of the day. Not much wind yet, so it's going to feel really good, especially in the sun. This afternoon and evening, aside from some wispies that you probably won't even notice, it will be very bright all the way through sunset. However, there'll be a stronger sea breeze today, which means the coastline is going to turn crisp and cool again when that wind kicks up. Mid-40s for the coast, Portland 47, Bar Harbor 44, around 50 over the interior for our bigger cities. And the warmest towns will actually be in the mountains and across far northern Maine this afternoon, farthest away from the ocean in that sea breeze. Even warmer tomorrow, mid-50s everywhere. Some rain showers tomorrow night, gone by Saturday. This is the weekend. The timing couldn't be better. This high's building in. A lot of sun on both weekend days with respectable and seasonable temperatures, feeling pretty good in the 50s. Early next week, we begin with some rain on Monday morning, but we tap into some warmth Monday afternoon as those showers taper off, and we'll make a run at 60 on Monday and a run at 70 on Tuesday. We also have to be, this time of the year, concerned about river flooding with all that melting snow. Sometimes we can get some big rainstorms. With these next couple, we're going to stay below an inch for rainfall, which means our rivers and streams will be fine. Here's a marine forecast. Seas 2 to 3 feet, south wind 10 to 20 knots. Sunshine, still cool out there, but it'll feel a lot better than yesterday. Upper 40s, mid 50s tomorrow. Some rain showers tomorrow night. Weekend's really nice with a lot of sun, mid 50s. And next week we are going to really kick things up, 60 on Monday, and possibly, if we get enough sunshine, 70 degrees on Tuesday. That's more like it.
That'll be a real turning point that we've been waiting for. All right. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.